Hello guys, so today we are going to learn how to set up MCP in our Cursor IDE. Okay, so first of all you need to download Cursor IDE. Okay, here you need to go download your Cursor IDE. If you are going to use Windows, then click here and it will show you like this. Okay, in your download folder. Then you need to click on this and run as administrator. Okay, then finished, and then it will download it in your machine. Okay, and after this you need to download node.js. Okay, like we are going to run these servers by using npx, so that's why we need to download node.js. Okay, so first of all you need to click here window installer. Okay, like if you are going to use window, I'm also going to use window, then I need to click here, and then after downloaded you got node.js here in the download folder, and here you need to click, then you need to run it by administrator. Okay, here run as administrator, install. Okay, you can install by using by one click on install. And after this you need to run some command on cmd file, like you need to open cmd, then you need to run node v. Okay, so I already have node.js, then it will showing you version of node.js. Okay, and you need to run npx. Okay, so that's why you have a node and npx in your uh, machine. Okay, now I need to close this. No, I don't want to close. Okay, so now I need to search cursor. Okay, so I have cursor id in my local machine. Now if you want to open some file, okay, so you can open uh, file like this. Okay, so this is like a visual studio, same to same as a visual studio, this one. Okay, so this is the visual studio. Okay, file, edit, selection, view, run, open folder, open file. Okay, so cursor id also look like similar to visual studio. You can check here, file, new file, edit, selection, view, go, run. You can open whole folder by using open folder, open file. Okay, new window, you can create new window by using this command. Okay, this will say you open folder, then you can click on this and you can open any folder from here. Okay, okay, this will redirect you in previous folder. Clone repo connect by ssh. Okay, now I'm going to close this. Now I'm going to I'm going to create mcp server inside our cursor id. Okay, so here you can select your kernel also, like virtual environment or by default python kernel. Okay, so here I need to go in preference. After preference I need to go in cursor setting. Okay, in here cursor setting I need to go in tools and mcp. Okay, you can see this is our cursor setting page. Okay, so there is a chat, tabs, models. They have different models. Okay, GPT-5, cheetah, cloudy, gemini, background and agents. Okay, rules and memories, indexing and documents, and network. Okay, so I'm going to use this one, tools and mcp. Okay, so I have already created this one, so I need to delete. Now by default we have browser automation ready, chrome detected. Okay, so I need to search add custom mcp. Okay, now I am going to add our custom mcp. So I already have code for custom mcp servers. I need to copy it and paste it here in our mcp. .json file. Okay, now I need to save this file. Okay, like if you don't have any code, then you can search in Google. Okay, you got MCP server for DuckDuck search. Okay, I'm going to use DuckDuck search, like MCP. You need to search MCP server. Okay, so there is a lots of MCP model control protocol server, model context protocol. This is the documents of model context protocol. Okay, like if you need like learn from anything from this document, you can learn about the MCP architecture, MCP servers of MCP clients, versioning. Okay, like MCP server for Airbnb. So here you got the code. Mhm. This is for like if you want to add Airbnb, okay, in Cursor ID, then you can use this. Okay, yeah, MCP server Airbnb command equals to npx. That's why I need to install Node.js. Okay, and here these are the arguments. In argument, I need in double quotes hyphen y, and this is for Airbnb server. Okay, so you got things um, from Google. Okay, now these are the model context protocol servers. So we have different servers: Python, Ruby, model context protocol server, and this is for GitHub, memory, time, AWS. Okay, GitHub, GitLab, Google Drive. So we have different kind of Airbnb. Sorry, not Airbnb, model context protocol servers. Okay, so now I'm going to add for Git. Sorry, bug. DuckDuckGo. So DuckDuckGo. So here duck, you can search duck, you can search DuckDuckGo MCP server. Okay, I got here, you can also got here. Okay, so this is a DuckDuckGo MCP server. So I need to copy these things inside our mcp.json. Okay, so this is our mcp.json, and this is the server for DuckDuckGo. Okay, so I need to save this file. Okay, now I need to go back after this. Okay, so like I need to close this. Okay, after setting a server, I need to close this. So here I'm going to close. Now I'm going to open again Cursor ID. Okay, so this is our DuckDuckGo search. Okay, and here you can see we can use these things also. Okay, so I already open. I need to close this folder. Close folder. Okay, so this is our new Cursor ID. Now here you can see this one. This is the terminal. Okay, toggle AI pen. Okay, so like if you want to search anything from here, you can search. This is a base chatbot, uh, uh, custom chatbot uh, for Cursor ID. Okay, now I'm going to open preference. Inside the preference, cursor setting. Okay, now I'm going to open tool and MCP. So yes, this one you can see DuckDuckGo search one tool enable. Okay, now I'm going to ask some question from here. My question is, latest AI tool. I can write by my one. Latest AI tool 2025. Okay, I need to search Okay, this will ask you for confirmation. This will give you result uh, uh, by using DuckDuck search or by using web browser. Okay, so here you can see I will quickly search for up to date. Okay, you have traveling connecting to the model provider. This might be temporary close. Please try again in a moment. Okay, we are going to try it again. So here this will give you result. I will gather up to date information on notable AI tools. Update 2025 across general assistant coding searching. Okay. So okay. So here this is the result. Search for 2025 AI tool launch and major update across the assistant coding and creating enterprise. So this is the answer. Okay. Now you can also search question like this. Now you can